OPPO has launched the A6 Max smartphone in China, and its standout feature is a massive 7,000 mAh battery built using silicon carbon technology, which allows for higher energy storage. Phone available white and rock mist. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1,600 nits peak brightness. It even supports touchscreen input when your hands are wet. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, to help with thermal management. A 50MP main rear camera and a 2MP depth sensor, while a 32MP selfie camera. The battery supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, allowing you to reach 50% charge in just 24 minutes. In China, the OPPO A6 Max, 8GB plus 256GB, is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.